Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. I'm making this video about gold, and I'm making this video after probably like 20 days. I've been very sick and still is, I am, and but in a recovery mode. So hopefully in a few more days I'll be up and running 100%. But right now, very weak. I'm laying down and making this video on the laptop. So anyway, I'll try to do my best. So let's get started. Let me start with this. All right, so I'm gonna take you back a little bit. 15 October 2022. This is where I made this chart, gold weekly. Elliott wave count, wave 1, 2, 3, ABC 4, and then we're supposed to go up for wave 5. So we start to go right nice and clean, and we went here. I made another chart. So we're gonna drop here 1802 first and then go up. So start doing the same thing. And it went up. And I'm gonna skip a lot of charts in between. So this is a chart I made on the 18th March. Target is still up there, above, at least above this wave 3. Wave 5, I would say 95% of the time, unless it's truncated, it goes beyond and above the high of last wave, which is here, is wave 3, right here to 2074, right? So this one, and then it went up there. My target was this, that it probably gonna hit and drop and then go to the upside. So that's why I had this yellow band here. That's exactly what happened. It hit this and then dropped. So this is the chart I made on the May 27th, says, it's showing that somewhere here is gonna make the turn, right? So it went down last week. It went down as far as 1916 and then bounced and sitting around. Let's go take a look at the live chart. Right, live chart is this. This is a monthly chart. Yeah, this is a weekly chart, right? See, this is another chart I made in between that is gonna bounce from 1920, but it went down a little bit more to 1916, and it went up again and standing just around 1920. Now, on a daily chart, if you look at it, this is how the daily chart is. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4. If it's wave 4, and if you draw the fifth from here to here, notice that it is exactly bouncing from not only 1916, but 61%. That is making this level very powerful to bounce. Excuse me. So I would think that as long as we stay above 1916, we're gonna go up for wave 5 again. This is like wave 1, 2, 3, 4. And let me show you what's cooking this area, small area here. I usually call it ending butterfly kind of pattern. X, A, B, C, D is around 127. If you look close, daily, let me show you on a maybe 80-minute chart. Yeah, I already have. See this, my 80-minute chart, and I have a fifth drawn from here to here, and then the first pullback was 78, and then 23, and then 127 already hit. We started to bounce, coming down. So somewhere here, 127, or maybe it will drop to 161, but I don't think so. Well, let's see what happens. Right. But 127 is hit, and ending butterfly is kind of like finished here. Another phenomena is like wave 4 goes out a little bit out of the channel and then comes back in. So that's exactly what's happening here. Draw the channel, wave 4 comes out, a little bit outside the channel here, And if we bounce, we're gonna go back inside and then go for wave 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after that it will drop big time, right? So things will switch then later. But first thing first, we need to go up for wave 5. So me, no trading for last 2-3 weeks, and no more trading next week either. I don't think so. I'm able to do that. And not only my me, but my son is also busy taking care of other things and taking care of me. He is not trading at all as well. So, but I will be looking for 40-minute entry chart. This is what's happening here. 40-minute, if you look at it. This is like left shoulder, head, and then right shoulder, right? Exactly at 1920 right now. You pull the fifth from here to here, right? You see that? And then you see that it is also exactly 61% and bouncing from 1920. So very good chance that we will see a bounce from 1920, anywhere in between 1920 and 1916. If we go below, then this whole scenario will be nullified. But as long as we stay above 1916, we have a very solid chance of going to the upside, right above the 1920, I think. So let's see when the market opens up today. Today is Sunday. When the market opens up, we will see. I'll be watching this one. So I'm making this video for testing to see my strength, if I can do a webinar today. If not, I'm going to make a video at least, hopefully, with the help of God. I'll do that about the pairs and about other stuff and send out as quickly as possible. But here's the first one, first test of my strength, right? Gold strength and my strength to see if I can continue making video, or at least start from today. All right, so bye for now and talk to you guys later, as I'm out of breath.